The high-quality development pursued by China will continue to unleash great potential for growth and business opportunities for multinational companies, according to experts and business leaders attending the Bوآؤ Forum for Asia Annual Conference 2024.
I don't think I could have anticipated how much effort the Chinese people and the Chinese government would put in the green transformation. It's really been amazing. China set impressive targets and even surpassed those targets. That China is the leader in electric vehicle production and in solar cell production.
Now with the development, the high quality development approach of China, the green development, the opportunities for us are even bigger than even before. So that's why it's very important for us to see what's happening and where to focus on and where we can contribute. And of course, also grow together here in China.
So China is already a global innovation hub across a range of products, whether that's electric vehicles, battery storage, among many others. And that focus on quality growth rather than just quantity growth will be very important to laying the foundations for the country's long-term success, but also the growth of its exports to the rest of the world.